Hey guys, welcome to this video on the laws of logarithms. So let's start by writing down the laws of logarithms. Now, I have to mention before we get started that these laws they have to be in the same base. So if we're talking base 10 or base A still has to be the same amongst all of them. So I'm going to write them down as all being in base A, but they can apply to whatever base, as long as the bases are the same. So if I have log in base A of m plus log in base A of n, what this is actually equal to is the log in base A of m times n, provided that m and n are not greater than 0. Can't be equal to 0, but they've got to be greater than 0. So that's probably rule 1. Let's go to rule 2, or law 2. And it's just the opposite. So log in base A of m take log base B of n is just log in base A of m over n. So these work both ways. You can do, if you got the log of base A where you got a number times together, or a number that could be potentially split up into different factors, then you can actually do it this way. You can go either way, from left to right or right to left. Alright, let's look at the third one, the third and final one. If I have m times log A of B, what this is actually equal to is log in base A B to the power of m. And that's our 3 laws of logarithms. So let's look at some examples. So I'm going to use these rules here to write in a single base log 5 plus log 3. And sorry, just as a single logarithm. So using our first rule here, this could really be rewritten as being the log of 5 times 3, or the log of 15. Now, we could, if you want to double check with a calculator, by all means do, but that's part of it there. And let's look at another example. What if I go to log 7? Let's make it a bit more interesting. 3 log 2. Alright, so this is going to combine laws 2 and 3 together. So this becomes log 7 to the power of 2 take log 2 to the power of 3. So 7 times 7 is 49, so log of 49 take log of 8. Then we can use rule 2 and simplify it. So this becomes the log of 49 over 8. And that's our answer. So that's really the laws of logarithms. So please make sure that you get these rules here written down, because they are ones that you do need to know. We are going to use them quite sufficiently, and that's really it. Or might expand on it a little bit in class, a bit more, but that's the basis of the laws of logarithms. Now, in a future video I'm going to talk about natural logarithms, where instead of log it's written as ln, so that's the natural logarithm. These laws are exactly the same, and I'll make reference to that when we get there. So, hopefully it's made a bit of sense. If you've got any questions, just ask. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.